Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to need this worksheet, a pencil, scissors, crayons, and a glue stick. If you don't have all of those items nearby, pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Okay, this worksheet is all about showing your teacher that you know what items are far away and nearby from when you're standing on Earth. The directions say cut, sort, and paste the pictures that show objects in the sky that are far away, that means they're in outer space, and nearby, that means they are here close to Earth. So let's look at our T-chart. On this side, it says far away. So all the items that you glue here and place here are items that would be in outer space. This side says nearby, so all of these items would be close to Earth, not in outer space. Our options are down here. We have a picture with an airplane. Would an airplane be far away in outer space? Or would it be nearby here on Earth? Place it where you think it would be. Let's look at the next one. I see this picture of, I think it's the moon. Would the moon be out far away in outer space? Or would it be nearby, right here on Earth, not in outer space? Place it where you think it goes. Do the same for the rest of the pictures. We have a bird, the sun, stars, and clouds. Remember that far away means that it's in outer space. Nearby means that it's not in outer space. Have fun showing your teachers what you've learned about far away and nearby.